Look there, and because it's my beamer.
Oh yeah. Hey, it's calm, go on.
No.
No, that ain't nah, sorry, isn't it?
Oh, my ass. It's fucking stabbing.
Mate, honestly, I've taken a fucking stabbing wound there.
Nah.
Yeah.
Respect.
Oh, hey.
Getting down as well.
Oh. Whoa.
Fucking hell, bro.
It makes it look easy, look at that.
Fuck.
Nah, he's a bit sketchy to be honest, man.
It does. It looks disgusting.
Like, can we not get to the back there, sure?
If you can get to the car park, there's not really a way of...
Oh shit. Mate, just chill, man.
Yeah,
Still blocked up. No. We just wanted to take a photo on the roof cross, sorry, but it's all locked.
But it's not the signs.
No.
So security guard inside.
We thought no one was in
You
there.
don't... Come on, don't use this.
Nah, cool. We thought no one was in there, that's why we come in. I do apologise. We just wanted to take a photo.
All the fences are with security signs.
Yeah, no, you're right. We did see them, yeah.
If it's closed, it's closed.
Alright. Yeah.
It's over there.
We thought it might be open.
No, we thought no one was here because no one's in the car. We'll go somewhere else. It's calm.
When you see signs, then go inside.
But the job's a bit boring, isn't it?
You'll not be bored if I'm chasing you.
Exactly, that's what I mean. We got a BF so you can chase us.
Everything is stuck and blocked. You cannot
Yeah,
go
it's cool, bro.
inside,
It's cool.
yeah.
What the fuck was he though?
Yeah, I don't know. Where's he fucked off to now?
Bando, he's in the park, that's a bando. Our folks are gonna go nuts. They start shouting and they go so out.
I don't give a shit.
Wait, there's quite a thing there now though. Hopefully it's the hatch.
Uh-oh. Someone here.
Hey, just chill, man. We're working. Yeah, we're working.
What lens? 16 to 50 standard kit lens, but I've got a wide angle as well.
100%, mate. Mate, you made some of this that those flying assaults. Seconds in it, mate. They're going to be fuming.
Sheesh. What do you say?
He's angry.
Okay.
He's angry, bro. I don't think you should go down.
I ain't going down there, fuck that.
Has he got a weapon?
No, I'd rather deal with the police and deal. What's that in his hand? All open, he's a worker, he was working in here. All my mother's working with that. The padlock was off and the latch was open. We haven't got nothing, mate, obviously. Everything, the first door of the stairwell open. Everything was open with that. Why has he got bolt cutters? He's trying to say that we bolted the fucking roof. Oh, fuck. I'll come down.
Yeah, I'm coming. What, fed you? That was quick.
Mate, we wouldn't come here to break anything, I can promise you.
Yeah, it was all open, man.
That was open. We wouldn't have come here. We wouldn't have.
That's obviously locked, but we didn't open that, you know. We just climbed around it.
You know what the funny thing is? We've been here before and the other doors were all open again. You leave the doors wide open, that's why you moved. You're taking a photo?
Like this?
Huh?
Sorry about this, right?
It's alright, yeah.
But we genuinely, and if he has got CCTV, I'd love to watch it, mate, because there was no damage. There's no damage.
It's alright, gents. We've got more officers on the way, like, I'm sure they'll deal with it in the normal way. But I'm sure I saw you, the big crane.
Which one?
Broad Street.
Oh, the yellow one?
Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah, you tried to stop me on Broad Street.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that, mate.
That's alright.
And you know what?
I was just finishing my shift and I saw that they had got you.
Oh shit.
It smells fucking potent in there.
It's nice and warm in here now. We're 31. Fucking hell.
That's the wind.
31
wind, yeah.
miles per hour.
Fucking hell! The wind is 40 miles an hour. In Birmingham. You were saying it was 40 miles an hour, that's what you were saying, right? Yeah. You made that look quite easy. Fair dues. Foot slipping down.
This is absolutely fucked.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Built in 1191. Some bumps. Serious? Yeah. Mad. Some bastard was up here building it. 800 years ago. Right, it's mad. What the fuck? Like you say, being up this high 800 years ago.
Yeah, there was probably nothing here, just this, and a couple of little houses.
I want to go to the top platform, you go like one below and get a look down at the cathedral on you.
I can't believe we get to go right to the top as well. Have you stood on it yet?
Yeah, I've got all the top list. I'm gonna wait until it's light though to get actual photos.
Yeah, of course.
Wait, I want to get my phone selfie up here.
Yeah, mad selfie. It's fine.
It's made of copper?
No.
No.
Hey, get down.
Alright, stay there, stay there.
Stop. Honestly, bro, that is nuts. I'm feeling sick.
Stop, man.
No, stay there.
Even on Alpha, no, stop, man. Stop, I don't like looking at that, that's
What's
scary.
about even on Alpha?
Oh, that's sick.
He's a lunatic.
get the fuck down.
What are you?
You know if someone sees that, they're like,
Yeah, some OAP. Drop dead.
I think Jesus has come back. I really hope no one comes, man. I want to wait until he's quiet.
I want to smoke some crack up here. I'll do that. Oh my god.
Caught my trousers on the fucking corner of the thingy on the way up.
Oh, bro.
It was pretty bad as well. Like, it felt like it just caught, and then I was like, "What?" It ripped right through.
They come to it.
Yeah.
I've ripped bare shit on fucking fences.
Yeah, same.
yeah, mate, they didn't have fucking cutting edge technology back then.
I know, but still, they should have done a better job, innit?
Judging man from 800 years ago.
No, I'm old.
1195.
Still broken. Oh.
Alright, I'm coming down.
Not these laddies. Oh.
I hate these ladders.
Oh, this one's
They are safe. They are safe, but sketchy.
Mad place. Abseil it. Go on. Yes, bro.
Yeah, that's sweet. I'm gonna take a shit.
No, he's not going. No, he's not going in that portal to take that shit.
He is not.
He's going in the fucking... Mate, my hands are dented from that, you know, be careful, bro.
Yeah,
Just
I
watch
will.
it for these running things, I don't trust them. You going?
Yeah.
Can you hold the fence and look them down?
Sure.
Foot in that gap, bro.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you, boy. Oh.
You look after yourself.
Good to meet you, yeah?
See you in a bit.
Not again, that's it now. Second time, mate, you're never coming back.
Good shit, man.
I don't want to go
Bosh.
back.
Chill.
If I was standing here and I saw that gold thing, I would brick
that
it.
is so bait, bro. Literally, yeah. She took a photo while someone was right on top. I think it was you.